The era of simply learning how to prompt ChatGPT is officially over. In 2026, the real threat to your job isn't a chatbot. It's AI agents. Autonomous systems like Devon, Manus, or Crew AI no longer just answer your questions. They execute entire workflows. They can manage a customer service department, analyze thousands of data rows, and even code, test, and deploy an entire application while their owner is asleep. According to recent studies by major firms like BCG, over 50% of white-collar jobs are being radically reshaped by this agentic wave. Simple data entry, basic administrative support, entry-level copywriting, and standard tech support jobs are flat-out disappearing. But here is the good news. This revolution is creating a historic opportunity. Those who master the right skills for the agent era are building massive wealth as freelancers or solo entrepreneurs. In this video, I am going to reveal the vital skills you need to learn today to become irreplaceable and monetize this transition. Make sure to stay until the very end, because the final skill is the absolute goldmine of 2026. Let's dive in. To understand which skills to learn, you first need to understand what an AI agent actually is. Before, you gave an order to an AI, it generated an output, and you had to review it. Today, in 2026, we operate in multi-agent systems. Imagine a business where Agent A does the market research, Agent B writes the content, Agent C checks for legal compliance, and Agent D automatically publishes it to social media. All of this happens in the background, without human intervention. So, which jobs are on the front line? First, basic virtual assistants. Organizing calendars or sorting emails is now handled natively by platforms like Microsoft Copilot Studio. Second, entry-level coders. With tools like Claude Code, writing basic scripts is 90% automated. Third, low-end content writers. Generic articles just don't sell anymore. If your value relies entirely on executing a clear, repetitive checklist, you are in the danger zone. You need to shift to the side of the people who direct the machines. And that starts with our next section. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. This sounds amazing, but I don't know how to code. I have no tech background. Where do I even start tonight if I'm starting from absolute zero? Don't panic. In 2026, the beauty of AI agents is that they were built to understand human language, not machine code. You don't need an engineering degree to get started tonight. Here is your simple 3-step action plan to get your foot in the door. Step 1. Master consumer no-code tools. Before building complex systems, go to platforms like Zapier or Make.com. They both have free versions. Your only goal this week is to successfully connect your email inbox to a Google Sheets document via an AI. For example, make it so that every time you receive a client email, an AI summarizes it and automatically adds it to a spreadsheet. This is the foundation of automation. Step 2. Play with custom GPTs or Claude projects. Go to ChatGPT or Claude and use the feature to build your own specialized agent. Give it a highly specific role. For instance, you are an expert at rewriting resumes for the European market. Feed it examples of high-converting resumes. Congratulations! You just built your first microservice agent. Step 3. Become an elite user. To command agents, you need to know what they are capable of. Use them daily to summarize your readings, plan your schedule, or draft your professional messages. Practice is how you discover AI limitations, and that is exactly where your human value begins. That's it. No coding, no budget, just pure curiosity. Now that you have the starting plan, let's look at the advanced skills that will allow you to turn these small tests into serious income streams. The first essential skill is workflow architecture. Since AI can execute almost any individual task, the new high-value job is knowing how to connect those tasks together. This is what we call robust automation. Companies are desperately looking for freelancers who can design these circuits. For example, automating the lead processing system for a real estate agency. From capturing the email on a website to an AI agent analyzing the client profile, all the way to automatically generating a personalized commercial proposal. How do you learn this? You don't need to spend months learning Python. Focus on orchestration tools like N8N or Diffie. Learn to think in terms of systems logic. What data comes in? Which AI processes it? Where does the result go? The person who designs the workflow controls the ecosystem. A single contract to set up this kind of system for a small business easily commands between $2,000 and $5,000 today. The second skill is crucial, yet almost completely ignored: AI governance and context engineering. Allowing an AI agent to run completely autonomously inside a company's systems comes with massive risks: hallucinations and data leaks. Microsoft and Gartner recently warned that the biggest challenge for businesses in 2026 is setting security boundaries for these agents. A company cannot just let an AI agent access its bank accounts or trade secrets without guardrails. The role that is currently worth its weight in gold is the guardrail integrator. Your job is to feed the AI with the right context, using techniques like RAG or retrieval augmented generation, and enforce strict compliance rules to prevent catastrophic mistakes. If you can tell a business owner, "I can deploy an AI agent to automate your logistics, and I guarantee 100% that it will respect your safety standards and your budget," you own the market. We finally arrive at the most important skill, the one that separates the followers from the leaders: problem definition. Remember this phrase: AI knows how to code, but only humans know how to program. What does that mean? Writing computer code, the syntax, has become a walk in the park for machines. However, identifying which problem is actually worth solving, understanding user psychology, and judging whether a solution aligns with a brand's core values, that requires purely human cognition. In 2026, value has officially shifted from execution to strategy. The most sought-after skills are critical thinking, the ability to ask the right questions, and AI project management. You need to become the conductor. You define the vision, you break the project down into sub-goals, and you delegate the technical execution to your army of AI agents. This is exactly how a single individual can run an agency or a business that used to require 15 full-time employees. The job market isn't destroying jobs, it's shifting them upward. AI is removing the boring, repetitive tasks to force us to become architects and decision-makers. Don't wait for your current position to be automated. Get ahead of the curve. Download a tool like N8N, start understanding how agents talk to each other, and train yourself. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button and let me know in the comments. Do you think your current job could be replaced by an AI agent by the end of this year? Subscribe to AI Income Lab so you never miss our deep dives into the new AI economy. I'll see you in the next video. Turn on notifications. See ya!